welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can create a Facebook account. This is for the beginners. When I was a beginner, I too don't know how to do that, so I want to share. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the video, and please click on the bell icon, and please watch the video till the end so you can understand properly. Let's begin the video. Okay guys, as you can see my screen, now you should open your Facebook, and here you can see an interface like this, and here you should click create Facebook account. I already have 3 accounts. Now I'm going to create the 4th one, and here you can see you'll get an audio message how to create, but I'm going to tell how you can create your Facebook account very easily. Now you should click on next, and here you should click your name. Now next, and here your date of birth, and next, and here you should choose your gender if you're male or you are female, and next. Here you can sign up with your mobile number or your Google account. I'm going to use my Google account. As you can see, sign up with email address. Here you should put your Gmail account, and here you should choose your password. It must be 6 characters at least, and here you can see sign up. Yes, sign up, and you can see creating your account, and you can see a thumbs up, and it is coming sign in, and here save password, and here as you can see you should remember this password every time. It will show you like this. Click OK, and here now we are going to do with confirm with code instead. Check your Gmail account, and you will get the code, and you should put it here. I'm going to confirm by mobile number. You can see I have put my mobile number. Now let us continue, and it is processing, and it will send a message to us, and confirm. As you can see, it is confirming, and let us wait for 2 seconds. Okay guys, finally it took some time, so I skipped, as you can see, and here you should put your profile photo, or you can skip, as you can see. So I am going to skip, and here if you want
you can
somebody,
select the people who you want to add as your Facebook
add,
friends
but I'm
now,
not
or
going
you
to
can do
that,
this
so
later.
skip, and here as you can see the Facebook account is successfully created, and this is my profile. Okay, get started, and here you should add. I'm going to skip, and etc. guys, I'm not going to do this. Now you can add your friends and enjoy in this guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.